Welcome to CAD/COM Lab. This message is from Mr. Sahil Sir to all students and professional. Explore our comprehensive course offerings. Unlock free resources to supercharge your learning. We believe in making quality learning materials accessible to everyone. That's why we're offering a free selection of materials and resources from the CAD/COM Lab website. Interested in claiming your free resource? Here's how. Visit our website. Send us a message through the website indicating which material or file you'd like to receive. We'll promptly provide you with access to your chosen resource. This is a fantastic opportunity to get a taste of what CAD/COM Lab has to offer and jumpstart your learning journey. 1. Download 2D floor plans of AutoCAD. 2. Download 3ds Max exterior and interior files with models. 3. Also, you can get a SketchUp 3D models free of cost. 4. If you have any need regarding architecture and interior drawings, message me, we will provide you. 5. If you are getting any problem regarding software installation, we will help you, don't worry. 6. For career growth and business. Regarding help, call me 24/7. We will solve your problem more than just learning. We're your design support partner.